Hello guys, welcome to a new video. This video is about Naruto's actual form which was seen in Boruto's 51 and I am going to analyze completely what is the secret behind this form. How Kurama managed to give Naruto such a beautiful and awesome power so sad that it will cost his life. What is the secret behind it? And I made a theory about it so such that how Kurama will give that much power to Naruto, and let us go analyze in this video. And in this video I also want to analyze that what is going to happen to Naruto after using this move, that this deadly move that will make him cost life. Will he actually die, or does he have any other methods to survive even after using this deadly attack? So before going into the video, I want to ask you something, that please subscribe to our channel. That's the main thing. Please subscribe to our channel, click that subscribe button, click that bell icon, click notifications. You will get all notifications about awesome anime content which I am going to post one a week, and manga analysis, anime analysis, many other stuff you want to see about. You should not miss this anymore. And I also have set a like target for you. Hit like this video, and my like target for this video is only 15 likes. Just only 15 likes. Make that possible, and I will be very happy, as my channel is only very small. So without wasting any time, let us go into the video. So I'm going to break this video into 4 parts. The first part is that what is happening to Naruto current story, what the conversation between Kurama and Naruto currently, and second part is that the history of chakra transfer between Naruto and Kurama, how Kurama gave Naruto his chakra and managed the situations in various cases, and third part is my theory, how this is gonna be possible, how that is the concept behind this move, and fourth part is that what will happen to Naruto after using this move. So let us go into first part. What is the current situation now? And we know, to know the current situation of Boruto chapter 51, click on the I button to know the full story of Boruto chapter 51 and what is happening in manga. The story, clear story. Who Ishiki Otsutsuki is and everything. Naruto is going to fight Ishiki Otsutsuki, and he talks to Kurama that, and Kurama he says to Kurama that he is willing to sacrifice his life for the sake of village and for the sake of Boruto. He want to do his job as a Hokage. And Kurama suddenly asks Naruto that, do you really want to sacrifice your life? And Naruto says yes. And Kurama proposes this move to Naruto, which he doesn't even know earlier. Naruto doesn't know till now. And he says that, are you really willing to die? I have a secret move, I can give it to you. And Naruto says, give it to me. Why didn't you say it earlier to me? And Kurama asks again, are you sure? And Naruto says, I am sure, I will use this, and the time has come. And Naruto says he has decided to die when he decided he want to become Hokage. In his childhood only, he decided to die for the village. So this is the part which hit me hard. So this is the current situation, and after deciding to use, Naruto starts to use this jutsu, and we saw those 2 images which got very popular in the end of Boruto chapter 51 manga. We all know about it. So this is the current situation now. So coming to the second part of this video, we will discuss the history of how Kurama has intervened with Naruto's chakra system and the events what has caused it. So we know that the Nine Tails Kurama is entirely made of chakra. It is not a living being or anything. It was been made by Sage of Six Paths when he divided 10 tails into 9 different tail beasts and gave it some feelings to it, so that it doesn't go wild like 10 tails. So this is the concept, and 9 tails is one of those tail beasts. And 9 tails has 3 Jinchuriki still now, the host which keep 9 tails in them. Third user is Naruto, who is the current user now. So this is the history. And Minato, when 9 tails attacks Konoha village, Minato manages to fight it and seals half of Kurama inside baby Naruto, who was born that day. Another half he will seal himself and dies. So this is how Kurama has got into Naruto's body. Going to the history, till the age of 13, Naruto doesn't know how to interact with Kurama, and in the age of 13, when he meets Jiraiya throws him in a large pit, and when he is dying, he learns to interact with Kurama's chakra, and he goes inside deep of his soul, and he sees there is a seal, like jail-like thing, and first time we can see Kurama talking to Naruto there. First time he realizes that the beast is there. Hey, he knows already beast is there, but he talks to first time. And when he was on the verge of death, Kurama gives him chakra and saves Naruto from dying. And Naruto is just summoning jutsu to summon Gamabunta there, and he saves his life there. This was the first interaction where Naruto gives Kurama gives Naruto the chakra to save himself. So this was the first, and the second instance is with the fight versus Neji in Chunin exams. When Neji uses the attack which blocks his entire chakra holes and makes Naruto unable to use chakra anymore, he knows how to interact with Kurama there, and he goes deep again and he interacts with Kurama and asks Kurama to give some chakra to get rid of this crappy situation, and Kurama gives him the chakra, and Naruto activates again his chakra, all chakra points, and he beats Neji pretty easily. In last fight versus Sasuke in Naruto Part 1, when he fights Sasuke when he is in childhood, so he also uses Kurama chakra there, but this time somewhat unconsciously. When Naruto falls unconscious, Kurama automatically gives him chakra and lifts him up, and then he fights like any crazy, which was a Sasuke. And this time he even gains some tail behind him, like one tail. So he looks more like Beast now. Naruto himself looks more like Kurama now. So this was the first instance when Kurama, without Naruto's permission, like he's giving chakra when even though he's unconscious like that. So this was the first instance, and even in Naruto Shippuden we have saw that versus fight versus Orochimaru also, Kurama gave this chakra like that to Naruto and make him 4 tails this time. He looks more beastier, and versus the fight of pain also he looks like he gets 6 tail, 8 tail. When 6 tail he gets bones, in 8th tail he gets the entire form of Kurama, less exactly Kurama but with just flesh, no color on it. We can understand the fact that Kurama is taking the control of Naruto like that. The depending upon amount of chakra releases, it takes the control of Naruto's personality. Of Kurama's evil will take control of personality of Naruto. And Minato says that Kurama is gradually trying to weaken the seal of Naruto by passing the chakra to cracks of it and making the seal weak, cracks of the seal. Like that, he managed to weaken the seal and give Naruto large amounts of hatred and power in Shippuden also. This is the case where Kurama is trying to take control of Naruto. And in other case contrary, in 4th Great Ninja War versus the fight against Tobi, Naruto befriends Kurama and becomes friends with him, and they go into Tail Beast mode. By Naruto opens the gates and they go into Tail Beast mode and something like that, big mode. Naruto becomes powerful, he looks like Kurama, everything, uses attacks and everything. So this time Kurama's chakra has been fused with Naruto, and whenever Naruto uses an attack, Kurama instantly recharges him with his chakra. And like that, these two chakras were in combined and they use powerful attacks simultaneously. So this way Naruto became more powerful. So this is the history till now, and I'm not going to go any deeper because my theory lies on this only. So coming to the theory, we have saw that Kurama instantly gives and Naruto becomes look like Kurama, everything like that. My theory is that in this time Kurama will give 100% of his chakra into Naruto and gets highly compressed inside of him. Like that, he will give 100% of him to Naruto and just compress his whole power inside of Naruto and becomes like one pinpoint pincer attack. So like that, full chakra attack, one all at once. This is like all at once. Comparing this to previous one, we have seen this in previous Biju mode just like recharging, but it's now fully going all out at once. So this will make Kurama lose its chakra all at once and it will die. So Tail Beast dying means not exactly dying, it will summon again somewhere and it will come back to life again. But here the point is to Naruto that he will lose his life, because when a Jinchuriki is gone, when the Tail Beast is gone, the Jinchuriki will die. That's the point. That's why Kurama has kept this move secret from Naruto, and when it comes to the push to the show and do or die situation, he tells Naruto that use this move like that. So by gaining access to the move, Naruto can use full power of Kurama at once and unleash all of his might into Ishiki Otsutsuki, and that's why we can see that Ishiki senses large amount of chakra all at once. And he says like, what a great amount of chakra in manga. So that's why you can see how much chakra came into Naruto that time. Sasuke also gets shocked because Sasuke knows all moves about Naruto and he gets shocked because he doesn't know this move. This is new move. That's why he gets shocked. For the proof of my theory, in this new form, we have saw that Naruto's eyes are not looking the same as when he is in Tail Beast mode, right? His eyes are looking like morely like Kurama's eyes, red eyes, not those sage mode eyes. So we can assume that this is fully controlled by Kurama and mastered by Kurama, this attack totally. And we also see that Naruto gradually become looking like Kurama, just like that. He has gained tails in his back, and his ears pop out like nowhere. He exactly looks like Kurama now. It's this form overall it looks like it's Kurama compressed into Naruto and he's going to unleash some big attack like anything, the chakra bomb or anything I can say. For those guys who's directly skipped to the theory part in this video, I want to tell you that the theory is not as simple as it looks. The difference between the theory which I said now and the previous forms of Naruto is that the Kurama will, in previous forms we have seen that Kurama is interlinked with Naruto's chakra, so that when Naruto uses chakra it will drain and Kurama will instantly feel it. That's the concept behind the previous forms of Naruto's Bijou's mode. And Kurama will recharge chakra like anything, and it is like a loop till Kurama loses the chakra. Naruto will use attacks simultaneously. So we know that Kurama's chakra reserve was very huge, and it is over 100 times more than Kakashi's chakra. Such powerful is that. So we can understand how much chakra Naruto will gain by using this Biju mode normal. So in this theory, the difference between the normal Biju mode and this mode is that Kurama will instantly compress whole of his 100% chakra into Naruto only, direct into Naruto, and he will attack it all at once. It's a pincer point attack and straight forward attack, 100% of chakra compression, and that's why we can see Naruto is instantly gaining Kurama like forms on his behind like anything. He's looking like Kurama just like that. This is a possible explanation. We have to wait till chapter 52 to know what about this. So this is my theory, and going to what will happen to Naruto after this, I have some outcomes, possible outcomes which may happen in future if after the Naruto unleashes this mighty attack. The first outcome is that Kurama will not use 100% of his chakra. He will leave 1 or 2% of his and he will die like that. So if even Kurama will summon like cutting his fingers or tails, he will leave that finger or tail part of chakra inside of Naruto, so that even Kurama died and summoned somewhere, till he gets back into Naruto he will survive by using that finger or tail amount of chakra, as we saw happen with Killer Bee in 4th war. This is the first outcome, and second outcome is that his best friend Sasuke is there with his Rinnegan to help him. He will use Rinne Tensei Rebirth Jutsu, just like Nagato used it to revive people of Konoha. He's used his Rinnegan, so he will use it and resurrect Naruto, his best friend. This is the one of the major outcome. So the third outcome is I don't like very much. So Naruto, I don't want Naruto to become paralyzed and in wheelchair, less like Might Guy. If this happens, the pan will break Boruto's office. That's it. Just for joke. And the fourth outcome is that the 8-tailed beast which are inside of Naruto will do something, and like to save him, they will give him some of the chakra or anything to keep Naruto alive till Nine-Tails come back. These are my 4 outcomes, and this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and I can't wait for next month, November 20, the Boruto chapter 52 will release, and we will see the full extent of this power. I can't wait, fans. This is most important for both Naruto and Boruto fans. So that's the end of this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Till then, bye.